are making biko. For the rice part, we are using 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of glutinous rice or malagkit, 1 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 pack or 3 cups of coconut milk or gata. First, we need to wash our malagkit. First, put the malagkit into our pot. Then, we have to wash it. After we put water and wash the rice, we have to put the rice into a stove. Then, turn on your stove. Then, wait it until it's cooked. After we cook the rice, we put it a little bit of gata. Now, we have to turn on the stove. Just put it at low medium heat. Then, put your gata. Then, we have to put our sugar. Then, we have to mix it. Now, we just have to mix the coconut milk or the gata and the sugar. After we stir it, we can now put in the rice. Now, we have to mix it thoroughly. So, until it thickens. Now, we are making the latik. First, we have to put the gata. Then, we have to turn on the stove. Then, we will mix it until it thickens and forms a latik. Now, we have to put a little bit of sugar again to the latik. Now, it is starting to thicken. So, this is our biko. We are now going to top it with extra condensed milk. You can choose any topping you want, but we will do condensed milk. We will now put condensed milk. So, this is our biko with condensed milk. Masarap po to. Thank you.